Hello, it's my pleasure to have you here again on this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download product picture from Idlefish app. But before I get to the tutorial started, as you know me, welcome to my channel, Ozel Graphics and Multimedia. What I do on this channel has to do with I'm a graphic designer and I'm an importation and importer coach. I'm also a freelancer. You can as well connect with me via the number right here. And also, if you want to check more video as far as China importation, US importation, Turkey importation is concerned, all you have to do is to make sure that you visit Excel Graphics and Multimedia. Then when you visit my channel, remember to click on the subscribe, click on the notification bell, so when I upload content, you'll get notified. And lastly but not the least, we want to check more videos as far as importation business is concerned. Feel free to reach the playlist right here. Click on the playlist, quickly go straight to the Idlefish app and see how you guys can download product picture without any stress. So let's go. So welcome back, guys. So this is Idlefish app. So if you have successfully installed it on your phone, this is how it's going to look like. One thing I will need to explain brief things about this particular app here for the purpose of some people that doesn't know much about this app. This app here is it's also a Chinese app where you can use to import second-hand products, and there are some products here also that are very much new. All you have to do is to understand what and how the app works much better. That's the most important thing you need to know, and what exactly you want to buy from this app. So in today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to teach you how to download product picture without any stress on Idlefish app. So like I said, you can, there is no limit of the type of product you can buy. There are thousands of things you can buy as far as this app is concerned. So let's say, for instance, I want to download this particular product picture, this washing machine right here. So I want to download it, the product picture. You have to click on the product link right here. So when you click on the product link, it opens up just like this. These are the product description. So you have to scroll down. You scroll down and you see product picture. Let's, for instance, you want to download this product picture right here. So all you have to do is to click and just tap on the picture. So this is going to pump up. Then you click on this arrow down here. So click on that. It's going to prepare your boom. So you can easily go to your phone album and check the picture. Let me quickly go to my phone album so you guys can see. So guys, you can see that I have successfully downloaded the product picture into my phone album without any stress. So guys, this is how you download product picture from Idlefish app into your phone without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can get it done, guys. So if you want me to procure your link on 1688, you can connect with me. Also, if you want one-on-one training paid class with me, you can as well connect with me. If you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can as well connect with me. All the contact detail can be found in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to Excel Graphics and Multimedia when you visit the channel. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.